teaching faculty, school officials, parents, and Kabataang Sansay, with great pride and gratitude, I stand before you today to deliver our annual State of the Learner Government Address. The first State of the Learner Government Address of the school year 2024 to 2025 will cover recent achievements, plans, and proposals of the Supreme Secondary Learner Government for this year. Before opening the school year, our school's Supreme Secondary Learner Government accomplished several projects and activities. On July 1, the SSLG rebranding, redefining student leaders, unveiling opportunities commenced, presenting the new Season Sai SSLG identity to the public. Concurrent with this, to digitalize SSLG's activities and updates, the SSLG website and student calendar were accomplished along with the SSLG documentation and other SSLG posts for the Kabataang Sansay on Facebook and other digital platforms. We were able to be part of the school's annual projects, the Grade 7 enrollment, and the Brigada Escuela 2024. We're extending our gratitude again to the youth organizations we were able to contact and be partners with on our Brigada Escuela. Initiated by the Division Federation of Supreme Secondary Learner Government, the Super Typhoon Karina donation drive was initiated in different schools of the school's division of San Jose del Monte. Our school collected 3,000 pesos in monetary donations and in-kind donations that were given to the victims of the typhoon with the help of the city's Risk Reduction and Disaster Management Council. The Supreme Secondary Learner Government also added to its project the SSLG resolutions. On this day, the SSLG officers authored 4 resolutions, one resolving the class code of officers and elections through the help of the incumbent president circle of the school year 2023-2024. This year's general plan of action is based on DepEd's core values with an emphasis on revitalizing youth leadership and building on previous administration's best practices. For Makajos projects, programs, and activities, a verse a day or AVAD successfully began on the first day of school, and it features daily uploads on the page of curated verses in the Bible, Harmony and Faith plus Virtue Value discussion. As part of the weekly Monday flag ceremony, the prayer leader of the flag ceremony will share a virtue value while also praying for the virtue value to be instilled in the hearts of the students. Lead Like David, a biblical leadership training held every Friday with various speakers, aims to provide SSLG with important leadership skills while imparting timeless biblical principles. And Gawad Season Sai highlights, presenting the experiences of our fellow students who achieve extraordinary feats with the direction and support of their faith. For Makatao projects, programs, and activities, Season School Rush, inspired by the Honesty Stores, provides a convenient and economical option to access school supplies. Kiligtasan Mo, a joint initiative of the SSLG and the SDRRMU, requires a whistle and a flashlight as part of the school supply requirements attached to the ID for risk readiness. We will also mark Teachers Month in September, Mental Health Month in October, and also stay in November with a series of activities organized by the SSLG. To strengthen cooperation and solidarity across clubs and organizations, the SSLG's Club Power Up series of leadership training aims to address the weaknesses of various clubs while assuring compliance by enforcing the appropriate guidelines and activities for each club. The Season Sai Cup is a monthly award that recognizes the sections that have the most managed and conducive classroom. Inspired by the previous administrations, the Expo 24 to 25 seminar seeks to promote awareness of contemporary topics that are not effectively addressed in typical classroom settings. And Kumusta Season Sai conducts quarterly performance implementation reviews or PIRs for the Supreme Secondary Learner Government officers and its PPAs. For Makakalikasan projects, programs, and activities, Eco Canteen encourages you to bring your own lunchbox and utensils rather than utilizing the canteen's disposable plastic wrap plates and plastic utensils. Kain Now Linis Later is a program where each section will have an allocated time to help clean the school's canteen hub. In addition, we will continue the school's Gulayan sa Paaralan and Tree Planting Project for makabansa projects, programs, and activities. To commemorate National Heroes Day, we will release a video tribute honoring our community's unsung heroes. And to commemorate the Season of Giving, we will continue the History Books project in partnership with the KKK Club and the Lexicon Club. This year's SSLG is based on strong committees and a well-organized coordinating council. We are devoted to enhancing these critical components so that they operate efficiently and effectively. For the coordinating council, we will improve communication and coordination to ensure that all organization and club activities are aligned and well executed. And we will hold frequent review and feedback meetings to analyze the student body's success. This year also, we wish to make the annual intramurals, which is one of the pinnacles of our school year that bring together students, faculty, and staff to celebrate another school year, bigger and better than before. Instead of one organization leading the entire intramurals, we'll empower clubs to supervise in the various events and programs of our intramurals, instilling leadership in all of the clubs at Sansay. Lastly, we have planned a variety of events, including fundraising activities, each designed to engage our diverse student body and make this school year enjoyable for everyone. These activities will help us improve our school facilities, support student organizations, and contribute to the event organization, reinforcing our commitment to social responsibility. But for these initiatives to be successful, we need your support. We invite each one of you to participate, volunteer, and contribute in any way you can. Your involvement, no matter how big or small, will make a significant difference. These activities are not just about raising funds, they are about coming together as a community to support initiatives that will benefit us all. To end the State of the Learner Government address, I want to say that I am deeply honored and grateful to stand before you today as an elected officer of the Supreme Secondary Learner Government. Your trust and support mean the world to us, SSLG. We promise to work diligently to fulfill the responsibilities of our positions, and together, we will strive to create a more vibrant, inclusive, and prosperous school environment. Let's work hand in hand to make our school a place where everyone feels valued and empowered, sharing the goal of strength and unity and excellence and synergy. Tatak Sansay. I am Andrew Rudolph Conseja, President of the City of San Jose del Monte National Science High School, Supreme Secondary Learner Government, School Year 2024 to 2025. Not to be served, but to serve. Thank you.